I sent some copies of my comments on the effort of government of Pakistan to prove us to be non-Muslims for certain reasons. So I gave a series of sermons on that so-called white paper of Pakistan, which I addressed as a black paper in fact, and each argument was dispelled with the help of the Quran and the help of the Hadith. So that's a long series which also contains some allegations which are nowadays being circulated in the Arab world. So because I have already answered them, instead of going for new answers, I would like you to start a series of question and answers based on the same. When I'm not here, you can distribute the work among yourselves, and from the paper, divide the role of asking a question and somebody should answer the questions in my words, as I have answered them. So that can take care of many absences of mine from this. Right? Yes. Please continue. Amir has done that, and he can also be included in this session, while he knows which arguments are taken where. So you have a private meeting with him and find out his recent translation, what's it all about, and then divide among you the role of asking of questions, etc., etc. Or if any further sub-question is raised in my question, in my addresses, that role can be taken by someone else, for instance. You see, so make it a realistic thing, as it was a realistic thing, and present it in the best way with the help of Majid Amr. I think you four of you would get together and devise a plan for the future. Okay?